Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English. Easy English, Easy English, Easy English, Easy English, Easy English. If you're looking for our new episode, then we are proud to announce that we have opened our brand new exclusive Easy English channel and Patreon membership. Both are linked in the description below. Go there, subscribe, sign up and become one of our first exclusive Easy English members. Once you follow the link to our new channel, you'll find videos that will help you learn English how it's truly spoken on the streets. Subscribe and set reminders for notifications when each video is released. You can now also sign up to become an exclusive Easy English member on our new Patreon page. We'll give you tiered options that will provide you with all the essential extras for learning English. We have also opened social media channels on Facebook and Instagram for you to connect with us. Subscribe to see snippets of new episodes and watch behind the scenes footage of upcoming projects. You'll still find our old videos as well as trailers for future episodes on the Easy Languages channel. So head on over to Easy English and subscribe now. See you there.